When I built Eisei-en, I wanted to create a place that felt as if you were transported to Japan when you walked through the front gate. Not just from the quality of the bonsai on the benches, but also in the atmosphere and aesthetics of the garden. I had this image in my head of my Oyakata Fujikawa-san visiting the nursery, stepping through the entrance and feeling as if he'd never left Japan. That image has been a driving force for the past several years as I've built out the garden. One thing that always struck me while living in Japan was that no matter where you went, everything seemed just as beautiful in the rain as it did in the sun. Koken Nursery, where I studied in Osaka, had a special atmosphere during the rainy season. Dark, refreshing, cleansing. I think we've managed to create some approximation of that here at Eisei-en. The whiskey barrel benches are of course a personal touch in the garden, a kind of southern wabi-sabi effect if you will, but I think they add a layer to the story of Eisei-en, a kind of throwback to the old Appalachian moonshine prohibition days. They make the age of the trees more apparent too, somewhat similar to planting a bonsai in an ancient pot with heavy patina. A majority of our bonsai at the garden are native species collected from high elevations out west, so they can easily take the coming winter temperatures here in the south. But this time of year, as the final leaves drop on the deciduous trees, it's a kind of bittersweet feeling in the nursery. The bonsai are dropped to the ground and some are put away for winter protection, and the garden feels cold and empty. But in only a few short months, they'll awaken again and Eisei-en will come back to life. For the moment though, we'll enjoy this final autumn rain and the quiet beauty it creates in the garden.